DJI has finally unveiled its newest compact powerhouse, the DJI Neo 2, and now that the official specs and real product photos are out, it's the perfect time to break everything down. So today on GadgetVerse, we're diving into all the upgrades, the surprises, and the features you didn't expect from a drone this small. Music at first glance, the Neo 2 looks familiar, but trust me, this is far more than a simple refresh. G didn't just update the Neo, they rebuilt it from the inside out. It now arrives with a stunning aerodynamic shell, sharper lines, better airflow, and a design philosophy that clearly matches DJI's next-gen FPV lineup. Music, despite its modern look, the Neo 2 still focuses on the qualities that made the original a fan favorite. Compact size, intelligent features, simplicity, and most importantly, a super affordable price tag. Music, but the differences become clear the moment you start looking closer. The body is slimmer, longer, and perfectly aligned with the rotors. This is the same futuristic style we saw in the leaked Avatar 360 prototype. It's obvious DJI has chosen a brand new direction for their mini FPV-inspired drones. Music. The Neo 2 continues to be a self-flying drone for quick shots. You still don't need a remote controller for basic operations. Just hit the side buttons and the drone handles the rest. This time, DJI added a new 3-button layout for easier navigation through smart modes. And then comes one of the most surprising upgrades. An integrated mini display showing flight modes and status in real time. Music. But wait, it gets even better. The Neo 2 introduces a front-facing LiDAR sensor with a 10-meter detection range, something unheard of in this price category. Combine that with 2 high-resolution fisheye optical sensors giving full 360-degree awareness, and an improved downward infrared sensor, and suddenly you have a drone that feels like it's thinking while it flies. Obstacle avoidance is now on a whole different level, especially in tight or complex spaces. Music. You can still control the drone through your smartphone using Wi-Fi. But here's the shocker. Up to 500 meters of range, 10 times more than the original Neo. Music voice commands remain available. But what really steals the show this year is the return of gesture controls, now powered by modern AI. Unlike the DJI Spark era, where gestures barely worked, the Neo 2 recognizes hand movements with precision and reacts instantly. Thanks to its new sensors, it's not just cooler, it's safer. Music. The selfie modes also got smarter. Choose your pose in the app, hit start, and the Neo 2 positions itself, counts down, and captures the perfect shot. Want it back? Just show your palm. The drone returns to you automatically. Music. And yes, the legendary dolly zoom effect is here too, fully automated. But to unlock the Neo 2's true potential, you can attach the O4 transceiver module, giving you compatibility with the RCN3, RC2, Motion Controller 3, Goggles 3, and Goggles N3. With this, the theoretical range jumps to 10 kilometers, though realistically, battery life will keep it around for kilometers. Music. Weight also got an upgrade. At 151 grams or 160 grams, with the module, the drone now handles winds up to 10.7 meters per second, matching the Mini 4 and the Flip lineup. Music. Now, let's talk camera. While rumors predicted a 1.3 inches sensor, DJI decided to keep the proven 1/2 12-megapixel sensor, but they improved nearly everything around it. The camera now sits on a 2-axis mechanical gimbal, leaving the third axis to electronic stabilization. This hybrid system allows full-resolution video, sharper footage, better stability, and even 60 FPS recording or 100 FPS slow motion. Vertical video is supported too, making it perfect for TikTok Insta Reels and YouTube Shorts. Music. The lens also got wider at 119.8, with an f2.2 aperture for brighter shots. DJI tuned the color profile, making the image more natural, less artificial, and genuinely impressive for such a compact device. Music. One of the biggest complaints about the original Neo was the annoying high-pitched prop noise. DJI redesigned the propellers entirely, reducing both sound level and frequency, while keeping performance strong. Music. Speed also received a major boost. Normal mode, 6 meters per second gives 8 meters per second. Sport mode, 8 meters per second, gives 12 meters s. Makes tracking subjects, especially cyclists and fast runners, smoother and more stable. Music. Internal storage doubled to 49 gigabytes, and the drone can now fly over textureless surfaces, like water and snow, without confusing its sensors. DJI even gave this feature a name, Versatile Flight. Music. Pricing. China, November 2025, standard $219, Fly More $279 Fly More Combo RCN3 Plus Module. $349 Motion Fly More with goggles. $529 o 4. Transceiver Module. $35. The Neo 2 is DJI's most fun and accessible drone yet. It's perfect for beginners who want quick, cinematic selfies, but powerful enough for advanced FPV enthusiasts who want smart features in a tiny package. DJI managed to upgrade every corner of this drone without losing the original Neo's charm, and that's what makes it special. Music. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit the like button and subscribe to GadgetVerse for more epic tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.